Welcome everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to fix a screen brightness bug that prevents you from properly adjusting brightness using your mouse scroll wheel or keyboard. Brightness keys. Let's start by installing the tool we'll be using. Open your terminal and type sudo apt install brightnessctl. Once installed, retrieve your current brightness value by running brightnessctl get. Now, let me show you exactly why this is a bug. Run the watch command to observe brightness values in real time. Watch-n1. Brightnessctl. Get notice the value is showing 99. When I move the brightness slider, you can see the minimum it reaches is 99. It never goes to 0 as it should. That's the first sign something is wrong. Now, when I try to set brightness directly using brightnessctl set plus 5% E, the system throws a permission denied error. This is the core issue we're fixing. To resolve the permission issue, we need to add our user account to the video group. Run sudo usermod -ag video $user. Then log out of your session to apply the group change. After logging back in, verify where your system's brightness value is stored. In my case, cat/sys/class/backlight/intel_backlight/brightness. This prints the current brightness value, confirming the correct path for your hardware. Next, we'll create a udev rules file so that the brightnessctl permission settings persist across reboots. Open the file in nano, sudo nano/etc/udev/rules.d/90-brightness ctl.rules. Paste the udev rule line. I'll provide the exact content in the video description. Save and close the file. The rule content will be in the description below. It grants a video group persistent write access to the backlight interface. Now apply the new rules without needing a full reboot. Sudo udevadm control-reload rules && sudo udevadm trigger log out once more to fully apply the changes. Once logged back in, open your terminal. We need to change the group ownership of the brightness file to video sudo chgrp video/ss/class/backlight/intel_backlight/brightness. Then allow the video group to write to that file. Sudo amod g+w/size/class/backlight/intel_backlight/brightness. Finally, verify the group ownership has changed correctly. ll/siss/class/backlight/intel_backlight/brightness. The output should confirm that the file is now owned by the video group. At this point, you should already be able to adjust your screen brightness normally. To let brightnessctl handle brightness fully through your keyboard, rather than the display manager, first disable the handle display option inside your power manager settings. Next, open settings and navigate to keyboard. Go to Application Shortcuts and add a new shortcut for brightness up. Set the command to brightnessctl set plus 5%, click OK. Then press your physical brightness up key to bind it. Repeat the same process for brightness down. The command is brightnessctl set 5%. Click OK and press your brightness down key to bind it. Now, let me show you exactly why this is a bug. Run the watch command to observe brightness values in real time. Watch-n1, brightnessctl. Try pressing your brightness up and down keys and notice the values can lower to 0 instead of 99. To ensure all group and permission changes persist after the next reboot, run the following command: sudo udev control-reload -rules && sudo udev trigger -subsystem -match equals backlight. Then log out one final time and log back in. After that, verify that the brightness file still has the correct group and permissions using ll/sys/class/backlight/intel_backlight/brightness. And that's it, you're all set. Your screen brightness should now respond correctly to both your keyboard keys and any slider controls, with changes persisting across reboots. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.